English activity, Unit 2 Assessment, Jairo Rafael Morales Hernández, Program Professional Technician in Public Management Processes. Healthy lifestyle habit. To lead a healthy life, you should eat balanced meals that include fruit, vegetable, and protein. You should drink plenty of water every day and get enough sleep at night. You can exercise regularly, such as walking, running, or playing a sport to keep your body strong and active. Should and can use to get advice or make recommendations. Healthy habits. You should eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. You should visit the doctor for regular checkups. You should brush your teeth and keep good personal hygiene. You should drink a lot of water and sleep at least 8 hours every night. People should exercise at least 30 minutes a day. You can limit sugary drink and alcohol. You can avoid fried and processed foods. You can try meditating for 10 minutes every morning. Getting up early can help you start your day with a clear mind. You can wash your hands before eating. You can take short walks after meal. Healthy habit using shouldn't and can. You can spend all day watching TV. You shouldn't smoke or drink alcohol. You can skip breakfast. You shouldn't eat a lot of sweet. You can eat too much junk food. We shouldn't be so stressed. You can stay out too late. You shouldn't be sedentary. She can cope with stress if she doesn't get enough rest. You shouldn't worry so much. Thank you for your time.